Welcome to our tutorial on how to set up overdraft protection in online banking. For the best experience, we recommend you use a laptop or desktop computer. To get started, visit SchoolsFirst FCU.org and log in to online banking. From your home page, select your checking account. From the Quick Actions menu, click on Set up Overdraft Protection. You'll now see your overdraft options. Select an account to set up your overdraft options. Click the arrows to select the order of your accounts for overdraft transfers. This allows you to choose which account to draw from first. Funds will be withdrawn from these accounts in the order selected. You can choose one or more of your existing accounts to cover any transactions that exceed your account's available balance. Click the On/Off button to enable or disable your account. You have the option to enroll in debit card overdraft protection to cover debit card transactions when available funds or other overdraft options are not available. To opt in, move the button to the right under Debit Overdraft Protection. Review and accept the debit card overdraft protection disclosure if you'd like to move on to the next step. Please note, when you click on the disclosure, it'll open in a new tab in your browser. If you select Yes, you agree to receive the debit card overdraft protection confirmation letter electronically, and a copy of the letter will be sent to your message center in online or mobile banking. If you select No, your confirmation letter will be mailed to you. Once you make your selection, click Continue. You'll see a confirmation screen with your overdraft protection account selections in the order of your choice. Review your selections and click on I agree if everything looks correct. Once you agree, a confirmation message will appear. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope you found this video helpful.